the only one we talk to. Well, we've got a picture of someone and 10 seconds on the clock to describe the person without saying their name while our opponent tries to figure out who it is. So Empress going to hold up a picture, show me, and I'm going to try to get her to figure out who the picture is.
Yep, ready?
Yeah.
All right. So show you, right?
Just show me. He's a minister, agriculture.
Shaw.
Yes.
Honorable Audley Shaw.
Yes.
All right. Sorry, I had to think. They move them around so much. Oh, this lady talk everything and put culture on the mat and make patois.
Louis Bennett.
Yeah.
Hold it up. La 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 la.
Kitty, Miss Kitty. You know, Kitty, you think large. Oh, Lord. Magic City. Magic.
What?
Life. Where it go? Magical moment.
We
This Saturday going to be nice. This Saturday is going to be really good.
Buju Banton?
Oh, it's been a long road.
So what were you doing?
No, I was like trying to Magic City. I was trying to remember the lyrics for a minute. Oh, my turn?
Hold it to me.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Are we
Who
getting?
that?
Huh? never say who that.
She's an artist. She come and Smile Jamaica. I think is she the picture is so wonderful.
She young, old,
not old.
long time artist.
Long time artist. Her name starts with A.
Elaine, my friend.
Yeah.
La,
That picture I wasn't too certain.
Let me see the picture. Oh God.
Yeah, I wasn't too
Producer,
certain.
why couldn't get a
I
better
wasn't too
picture,
certain
my
about the
friend.
picture there. Hold on now.
Rise in love.
It's me just.
That was, yeah, your turn. I gotta guess. No. Oh yeah, I can tell you.
I must show you the picture.
Show me, man. Lord of God, that man is different. He give beer trouble at TVJ. He has the report. That big E report.
Oh, Anthony.
Oh my gosh. I should have said, and the worst judge on Rising Stars.
No, I'm not the worst judge.
You're wicked, Milo.
Your time.
No, joke.
Your time.
I'm a friend. Ready?
Yeah, let me
So what am I for do? Show you?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
all right.
Oh, used to read news a long time ago on TVJ, now we're over at JNN. Still on TV. First name start with M, last name start with S.
Michael Sharp.
Thank you very much. Why take a river?
This, you're rude.
Yeah.
Come.
So my time.
Yeah.
So.
Ow!
That, James Brown. Hold on. Hey, I can't see it on TV.
You saw it?
I saw it. Michael Jackson.
Oh,
I saw it.
no.
Yeah, I
Hold
have
it
over
over
here. You see, I hear them say my teeth.
Oh.
We could have just quietly go, Michael Jackson. Where you say, ah, where that come from?
I don't know.
I'm frightened, you're frightened.
Didn't Michael grab his crotch? And then I started to do the moonwalk. But I'm not very good at it. So what do I do? Hold it over my face.
Oh, so you don't
Okay,
see
go.
it here. Yes, Rasta.
Morgan Heritage?
No.
Yes, Rasta.
Yeah, that is his phrase.
Oh God, who says that?
Radio host.
Oh, Muta Baruka.
Yes.
So, a thing like that?
What?
A BG?
What?
You got deep voice. BG.
What?
BG.
B. Barry Gordon.
Ah, no.
No?
Barry G.
Yeah.
BG. All right, this is fun. Ready?
This man must be the maddest man on TV. Sports commentary. Sports commentary.
What name again? I saw it on the TV.
Last
cheating,
one.
two
Last
away.
one.
Come, him very
This is
mad.
my time.
But you know him. Come.
This is my time.
Yeah. Go. French name.
French name.
You know, you can.
Thierry Henry.
Eh?
I don't know. What do you mean French name?
F. Soir.
Francois. F. Soir.
F. Soir. And he's already working on air right
That's
now.
it. F.
Last one.
Soir.
Let's go. Last
If
one.
she
Last
said
one
that's
for you.
it.
Ready?
She said
Go,
that's
go,
it.
go, go. Quickly. Go.
Not dirty up Jamaica.
Please don't do it.
Not dirty up Jamaica.
I'm getting tired. No, oh, yeah, dirty.
News in 5 after the break, folks, with the Apostles.
I'm
Stay with us,
done.
please. Soon come.